voltage accelerates a stream of electrons in the direction of workpiece. And here this is the anode, and when electrons are emitted from the tungsten filament, and this is the stream of the electron that is accelerate in the direction of the workpiece, and after acceleration electron focused by the field and travel through the hole in the anode, and electron beam then refocused by a magnetic or electronic lens. These are the electronic and magnetic lens. Here it is refocused. So beam is directed under control towards the workpiece, and here the electron maintain the velocity 228 into 10 raised to power 3 kilometer per second imparted by the acceleration voltage until they strike the workpiece over a well defined area, generally typically 0.25 mm in diameter. And here the kinetic energy of electron is then rapidly transmitted into heat, causing a corresponding rapid increase in temperature of the workpiece. As we can see here, local heating and fusing and vaporizing the workpiece material to well above its boiling point, and thus causing the material removal by evaporation. And with power density of 1.55 megawatt per mm square involved in EBM, virtually all engineering materials can be machined by this machining technique. And EBM generally used for drilling small holes, cutting, engraving and heat treatment are a set of modern applications used in semiconductor manufacturing as well as micro machining areas.
To heat energy. This is the basic principle of laser beam machining. Now discuss about the parts of the laser beam machining. We have a workpiece on which all the experiment will be performed and which is connected to the fixture for fixing the workpiece, and a chamber which have a lens on the downward side for focusing the beam, and a partially reflected surface and total reflected surface on this crystal. This is called ruby crystal dipped with the chromium is a best combination for laser beam machining. These are the flash lamp which will excite the electrons in this ruby crystal or photons in this ruby crystals. There is a power supply source which is connected to the flash lamp for giving supply to the flash lamps. This is the ruby crystal. Now see the working of the laser beam machining. What will happen? Power supply source give power to the flash lamp, and flash lamp will flashing and excite the electron in this ruby crystal. When flashing is off, these electrons reach to the ground state and liberate light energy, and these photon or light energy will be reflected again and again by the totally reflected surface and passed from the partially reflected surface. These photons will create a beam of the laser which will going through this lens and focus on the workpiece, and this striking beam will liberate the metal or liberate the metal particles from the workpiece. So this is the working of laser beam machining, in which light is used for liberation of or removal of metal from the workpiece. Thank you for seeing this video. You can Subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow for more updated videos. Thank you.